I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by capturing the sound you want. Open voice memos, record a clean clip, and keep it under 40 seconds so iPhone will accept it as a ringtone. Once done, trim the clip to the exact section you want and apply a quick fade for smooth start and end. Then export the audio using Share into Files or Mail as an M4A because you need a file you can convert and transfer to your computer for the next steps. Next, convert the exported audio into an iPhone ringtone file. On a Mac, use Music or Finder to import and convert the clip to AAC. On Windows, use iTunes. Make sure the converted file is the right length, then rename the extension from M4A to M4R so the system recognizes it as a ringtone. Once done, add that M4R to your device by dragging it into the ringtones section in Finder or iTunes. This installs it, so you finally set the new tone on your iPhone by going to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, then Ringtone, and choose the custom tone you added. If it does not appear, make sure the file is named with M4R and under 40 seconds, then sync again or restart your phone. This often refreshes the list. If problems persist, re-export from voice memos and reconvert, or use iCloud/files to transfer. That fixes most permission or sync hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.